I really love it. I feel like I look a little bit like a mushroom, but it's okay. I'm a cute mushroom. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know it's been a minute since I was on here. Well, actually not, because I've been posting on my YouTube shorts. So if you are not keeping up with that, definitely check out those videos. And so as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be cutting my hair today because girl, it's a mess. It's a hot mess. And so basically I straightened my hair in December and I went overboard. I did the most and I have a lot of heat damage. So today I'm just gonna cut that off because it's not cute. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see that process. And if you're not been keeping up with my TikTok, go ahead. I have a few TikToks. I have BC Styles, I have BC Living, and True Texture Hair Care. On True Texture you can find all my hair content and my hair oil and whatever. And on BC Living is all house stuff, and on BC Styles I have just random lifestyle content. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is what I'm working with. I have so much damage. As you can see, it's very stringy and thin and just basically very lifeless. Yeah, my hair is so dirty. Look at this, like but anyway, I'm not gonna cut it into a big chop. I'm not doing a big chop because I just don't want to deal with the phases of a TWA and blah blah blah. So I just want to cut it short enough to be able to go in a bun. And as my hair grow out, I will just gradually keep cutting the ends off until all the damaged pieces are cut. But yeah. So I'm just gonna pat down the middle, and I love cutting my hair. It's just I feel like I'm always cutting. The last time I cut it was October. If you know me, you know I love the scissors. I'm always cutting. I don't really care for long hair. Once my hair is healthy, that's all I care about. So I'm just gonna pat this in two, and I'm not really focusing on it being perfect. I'm not a professional, by the way, when it comes to like cutting hair and doing hair. I just do whatever works for me. Oh, the light is just too much right now. Yeah, so like I was saying, I'm not a professional. I just do whatever I want to do with my hair. Do y'all see this? Like, what is this? This serves no purpose whatsoever. I was never the type to have very thick hair, but this, nah, this has to go. Probably should wet it a little bit. Always good to have a spray bottle at hand. It makes life so much easier, especially when it comes to your hair. So I'm just gonna okay, so it's not working. Just gonna wet my hair. And now I don't want my hair to be soaking wet, but just a little damp that I can comb it out. And y'all, I had so many plans for my hair this summer. If you guys saw my previous I think the people on YouTube, you guys have to go on my TikTok channel to see how my hair was looking just before I cut it. It was just blooming, it was flourishing, and I had so many plans for it this summer. I wanted to do this I don't know yet. I think I was gonna do this color or I was gonna go blonde, but yeah, things change and now I'm on a new journey, so I gotta take it easy. Like I said before, I want to be able to put my hair in a bun, so I'm gonna cut as much as possible but not I'm not going that short. Woo. Here it is.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same.
This is what it's looking like so far, and right now I'm gonna go back and take smaller sections and kind of shape it up and cut it evenly. But I'm gonna do that off camera because I cannot see what I'm doing with my setup right now. It's hard for me to see the mirror, so I'll come back to show you guys. Alright, so I'm back and this is what my hair looks like. It's short, it can still go in a bun, so I'm happy with that. Eventually I'm gonna keep cutting off the colored ends and whatnot as my hair grow. I'm gonna keep cutting it, but for now this will have to do. I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash my hair, style it, all that shebang, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. So you guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I really love how it turned out. I feel like this side is still a little bit longer than that side, so I'll have to go back and just do a little cutting. But overall, it feels so much better. It looks so much better, and my hair feels light and airy. And I just love the short cut. I'm a short hair girl, to be honest. And let me show you from the back. The back is probably very frizzy because my hand's been in my hair like all day. But I'm excited to style this and just play around with it. And like I said before, as my hair grow, I'm gonna cut the damaged ends. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping some videos. I'm posting reels back to back, so definitely check out my reels. And yes, let me know what you guys think of this haircut, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.